An Indigenous man who was kicked in the head by an Edmonton police officer will no longer be able to pursue a private prosecution following the Crown's decision to stay the proceedings. Pacey Dumas was 18 when Edmonton Police pulled up to his home on an early December morning in 2020, responding to complaints of a dispute involving weapons. Officers entered the home with permission to confirm no weapons were present, and it was during this time that Dumas was kicked in the head while laying down as ordered by an officer. The search revealed he was unarmed. Dumas required life-saving surgeries, which had part of his skull removed and replaced over the course of a year. Alberta's police watchdog released a report in April that recommended criminal charges against the officer, Constable Ben Todd, but the Crown decided not to pursue a case. Dumas's lawyer filed a private prosecution in December, and the matter was scheduled to be heard by a judge on October 13th, who was supposed to decide whether or not to proceed with aggravated assault charges. But on Friday, the Crown decided to stay the proceedings, meaning the case has been cancelled. In a statement, a spokesperson for the Alberta Crown Prosecution Service says, "While the circumstances outlined by Mr. Dumas and his counsel in this matter are disturbing, the role of the ACPS is to provide an objective assessment of the triable evidence and provable facts in determining whether there is a reasonable likelihood of conviction. And while the views of the police and the complainant are considered, ultimately the decision whether to proceed with charges is the responsibility of the ACPS and made based on an objective review of all available evidence in accordance with the ACPS Code of Conduct and the decision to prosecute guideline." The ACPS also tells City News the private information does not meet the ACPS standard for prosecution, and as such, the charge was stayed on September 29th. In Edmonton, Adrienne South, City News.